Welcome back, Royals, to Spring It On 2025. Guys, for my Secret Garden series, I am going to be styling up my guest bathroom. Now, first, allow me to apologize because I realized I never shared the winter refresh of my guest bath. However, here you're getting a quick 30-second glimpse of what this space transitioned to from the holiday or Christmas season. I opted to keep the emerald green, brought in these beautiful metallic canvas pieces from Hobby Lobby, added a few more just modern black pieces into the space to incorporate that modern trend of the black decor theme. I absolutely love the look and feel of this, so much so that I'm going to pull inspiration from the exact same wall canvases to create a vibrant spring design. So together, you and me, we are going to redesign this space for the spring season. First things first, guys, I'm going to strip down the room. I have stripped down the room of all the things that I want to remove for this season. Again, pulling inspiration from my wall art, I am going to show you how you can just pull colors, pull a theme or a metallic out of a piece and create something totally different in each space using the same artwork. I love doing so with rugs, wall decor, or even a fabric that you love. You simply hone in on a color of choice from said piece, display that color in 3 or more places in your space, regardless of how big or small, and you will create a totally new look and feel. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as I bring this secret garden theme to life in my guest bathroom. Now, guys, as with most spaces in my home, I do have plans or ideas of giving this space a total refresh or update. I have my eye on a couple of things, going back and forth about whether to do wallpaper or paint or an accent wall, but whatever I come up with is going to be amazing. But in the meantime, until we get that decision made, let's pull in the accent color of choice. Guys, you already knew by the outfit that it was going to be Tiffany blue. And yes, ma'am, I'm having a full-on concert of one. I have Selena Johnson, one of my favorite artists of all time, bumping in the background. And the sister had me feeling some kind of way. So as I am styling and transitioning in this space, I am enjoying every moment of it. As I stated, I am pulling my inspiration from the wall canvas. And when I give you an up-close look of the pieces, you will see just a variety of color hues in that piece. It gives me so much styling versatility. And this aqua or Tiffany blue was just a perfect choice for those pieces. And I cannot wait to share with you the end result of how this secret garden theme completely comes together.
For me, I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hit that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like my rules. Big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. Nothing could have made me believe no one could have.
All right, guys, so as you see, I am using what I came up with as the one rod technique. I love switching out my shower curtains, actually using actual curtains to style my bathrooms. So I came up with this technique of attaching the liner and the curtain on the same rod. Because I love taking my curtains all the way up to the ceiling for a more dramatic effect, I went on Amazon and found an actual 96-inch shower liner that gives me that ability to do so. So if you're looking to create that dramatic look without having to do the double rods, one for the liner, one for the curtains, opt for that. And I will link those liners in my description box. But it definitely amps up any space and gives it a more grand, dramatic look and feel. Now we're going to come in with the jewelry of the space, which is your accessories, guys. I'm going to start out with this beautiful marble and gold tray I just picked up a few weeks ago from Home Goods, and I'm going to place it on the back of the toilet. I purchased it for the kitchen, but it's going to serve a beautiful purpose here, and we're going to keep things functional and pretty. I did the little signature water stamp technique on my tissues and just give them a nice little fancy dainty touch, and voila, this is beauty and function at its finest. And to bring in just a little bit of that spring touch, we're going to add this gorgeous little glass egg that I've had for quite some time. I have several of them, so I thought it would be really cute to place one here on the back of the toilet. Now making my way over to the sink, guys, I have this Tahari Homes gold soap dispenser. One houses lotion and one houses soap. So again, beauty meaning function. And we're going to pull in that gold metallic. And then how gorgeous is this marbled egg? Again, just bringing in that little spring touch. I love adding little dainty, unexpected pieces to any space, regardless big or small. This is small space, but we're going to make a big impact. Now, guys, there's always has to be a wow factor. Pulling in that monochromatic theme I'm going with for the spring with my floor designs. I pulled the extra aqua pieces I had and created this sultry yet elegant floral design housed in this beautiful vessel that was gifted to me by Linda from over at Design by the Boss. She has a website, guys, and I will have it linked in my description box. She has beautiful home decor pieces for your shopping pleasures. So that is in place. We're going to continue on with the styling, but how gorgeous is that and so unexpected in such a small space. One of my favorite things to do, guys, is towel styling. Along with napkins, this is just a great way to add a little bit more attention to detail in any space. It just finishes off a look. And so these are some that I readily use, but they're in the color hue, so I figured why not use them. You don't always have to go with the designer towel. I remember back in the day I would buy towels that was specifically for the decorating, but I've just learned to just use the pieces that I have. If it's in the color hue, it's going to function and always serve a purpose. And so I love when I can get twofold out of a design. Now the family knows if they're hanging on this rod, that means they're for decor purposes only. So I have kind of gotten them accustomed to me changing and rearranging things, and they know when it's here. As with when the wax is on, that means the house is shut down and do not touch. But I'm going to just do a quick little threefold technique with the towels, all of them the same length. You don't have to have a variety of sizes to create a fun, cute little design. And so with the third one, I'm going to add just a little punch of razzle dazzle. So with this third one, we're going to lay it over. And I went shopping through my napkin rings or tassels. I often buy tassels or curtain backs, or curtain tie backs rather, to do just this thing. I love to take those tie backs or those tassels and style my towels up, style up window treatments. It's whatever my heart desires. But for this, I wanted to think outside the box and show you how you can take something and totally be creative with it. Now this is a napkin ring, but you see it has an emerald green bling on the front, but we're going to just flip it around, place the emerald green medallion on the back, and we're going to use the front part as the base of this cute little brooch I have from Totally Dazzle in my stash. I thought, how perfect would this be to just create a little unexpected touch to the towel design. So I'm going to take the brooch and attach it to the towel, pulling in that beautiful aqua and gold theme that is flowing throughout the space. Bringing in the rugs, guys. Again, I have an extensive collection of this color, so it gives me the style versatility. You have seen this color styled in my kitchen area, my dining area, my bedroom, guest bathroom, and I got a feeling you're going to see it in another space or two. So just keep watching the spring styling series and see how everything unfolds. But I am loving this splash of color for the spring. And so these are some items, guys, that I had in my crawl space tucked away. Forgot I even had them. Thank God for the purge, because it allowed me to pull out some things and repurpose them in my home. I've had these for so many years. Beautiful set of candle sticks. They're oversized, grand, and definitely unexpected. So I'm going to style them up over in this corner, which is a wonderful way to give a small space an unexpected wow factor. Most times we think small space, small pieces, but actually the opposite is true. In a small space, you want to use grand overscale pieces to create the illusion of grandeur in that room. So as I add the final piece to this puzzle, guys, it is with extreme pleasure that I present to you the Secret Garden Bathroom Edition.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. made this work. I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me?